Did you know you can get 100% on the listening and reading sections of the DTZ exam, but if you fail speaking, you walk away with 0 B1 certificate? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are breaking down the exact structure, hidden scoring rules, and key differences of the DTZ B1 exam so you can pass on your very first try. The DTZ or Deutsch-Test für Zuwanderer consists of 3 main testing blocks across 2 hours and 16 minutes. First, you have 70 minutes for listening and reading combined. Next is writing, 30 minutes to write one formal or semi-formal letter based on 4 points. Finally, you take the speaking exam in pairs, which lasts about 16 minutes across 3 parts. Now for the biggest scoring secret of the DTZ exam. The grading is dual scaled between A2 and B1. To walk away with an official B1 certificate, speaking is 100% compulsory at B1 level. Once you get B1 in speaking, you only need to hit B1 in ITA writing or listening reading. If you score A2 in speaking, it is mathematically impossible to get a B1 certificate. Many students make the mistake of studying for a standard telc B1 exam instead of the DTZ. Notice the key differences. In the DTZ, you get 0 preparation time before speaking, audio clips are usually played only once, and the topics focus heavily on everyday life in Germany like housing, authorities, and jobs. Because speaking is compulsory and writing is the easiest score to train with templates, you should spend 80% of your preparation on speaking and writing. In our next video, we will break down speaking part I with the exact script you can use to score full points on your self-introduction. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it.